Are you trying to quit your favorite swallow because it's too heavy, makes you feel tired, and is no longer helping your health? Today, let me put you onto something way better: sweet potato fufu. Now, let's prepare it together. You will need a medium to a large size sweet potato, and you wash it and remove the peels carefully as I'm doing. And you are probably thinking, how is this going to help me being full of sugar? Wait a minute and I will tell you all the health benefits of sweet potato, and you will not wait a minute before you switch. It is not just sweet, it's smart, packed with fiber that keeps your belly full and your gut smiling. Know that sweet potato come in various shades of colors. Can be orange, white, some are purple. So whichever color you have, you can make do with it. Now you are going to cut it into small chunks and cook it until tender. I am your sneaky chef from Live Well Pathway. Here we make functional foods that are as delicious as they are nutritious to support your pet goals. So if you are new to our community, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on other social media handles. Together, let's build a community of healthy eaters. Now, as we prepare it, let's quickly talk about the key nutritional benefits of sweet potatoes. They are high in fiber, which help to support digestion and prevent constipation. They are low in glycemic index, better for blood sugar control. Rich in beta-carotene, a provitamin for vitamin A, which supports vision, skin, and immune health. They are rich with the mineral potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and muscle function. They are bursting with vitamin C and E, powerful antioxidants for cell protection and immune boost. Also, they are complex carbs, which provide longer lasting energy versus simple sugars. So here I'm making that oat flour because we'll be needing it as a stabilizer when making the fufu. When it is cooked, you sieve out the remaining water and mash it to a smooth consistency before making the fufu. Here I'm adding 3 spoons of the oat. This helps to bind it together. This makes it more formed so you can cut it and swallow it with ease. Look at how it is. So you keep turning it until it is ready. And you can use it to eat any of your favorite soup: egusi, ogbono, banga, and okra soup. So give it a go. Level up your swallow game with sweet potato fufu, where tradition meets nutrition.